just inviting a few friends here because my video is going live. And get this out of the way. There we go. So yes, we are live. Got some people hopping on. That's awesome. He's waving at me. Hi, Stefan. Glad you're here on my live. I just wanted to come on today to talk about this awesome webinar that we've got going on tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Don't know if you've heard all the buzz about what's going on. This program is totally on fire, and I wanted to just let you know a little bit about the program and what you can expect, and give you some details about how you can get involved. My daughter and I, we decided to come over here to the park. This is college, Doane College. I should say Doane University, but this is just this amazing place to be. We come here quite often. It's got a beautiful fountain. I'm just gonna flip my camera around here, just give you a little bit. Say hi. You see this great view here. There's the fountain over there. Absolutely love it. Whoa. This park is amazing. It's got beautiful flowers. This is where I took some of my pictures, actually. So anyway, yeah. Back to the webinar that is happening tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Get this focused in a little better. It's called Successful Solution Method. We are inviting you to join. We have people that are coming into this business, looking at this platform, never made money online. They're plugging into the system and they are generating an income by being on Facebook. This program, you know, it has a great mentorship, great leadership. There's lots of tips and tricks that you can learn along this process to get started with the program. And the best thing about the program is it's newbie friendly. You know, people, like I said, that have never made money online are earning an income. So we want to invite you to come to our webinar tonight. Bring a pen and a paper, take some notes, learn what we're all about. Just experience, you know, what we're doing as a group, helping each other, getting on Facebook, making posts. This is teaching us how to get our engagement up, how to be more open and willing to take risks and come out of our comfort zones. So this is my first live video, actually, and I'm terrified, but I am, like Amanda said, coming out of my comfort zone, doing things that are not normal, and I'm really looking forward to seeing where this adventure goes. So, sure, my daughter wants to go take a walk. Some more of the scenery. Let me just flip the camera around here so I can show you where we're going. There's the fountain down there. Over here, this is a cute little bridge. That's where I took some of my pictures. So if you were wondering where my scenery came from, that's where I got my inspiration. But yes, this is a program you don't want to miss out on. We are going to have our webinar today at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to put my put the link down in the description below after I get done with this video. And let me just turn this camera around. There we go. So yes, this is a really, really, really beautiful place for Doane College. Yes, Doane University anyway. So yeah, oh, this is really cool. I just love it here. It's gorgeous. And it's just right across the street from where I live. It's just absolutely beautiful. So yes, back to the webinar. Successful Solution Method is the program. Newbie friendly. I joined this program. My mentor actually asked me to join, and I felt really honored. I have been online for a little while, not really have made a dime, but with this program, oh, look at that, that's beautiful. Anyway, with this program, people are making money. There is proof in our Facebook group. We've got all kinds of people that are willing to help out and get you to where you need to go. So if you are seriously wanting to come on board and take a look at our program, we'll be happy to get you started, give you all the tips and tricks on what you need to do to get started. We're all a big team. We all help each other out. We support each other. It's an awesome group. I have some proof posted on my Facebook page if you'd like to see that as well. So yeah, looks like we got quite a few people on here. Tammy Smith, it's nice to see you. Yeah, I've watched a few lives, but I've never actually done one, so this is all new territory for me. So if I'm doing something I shouldn't be, I guess I'll find out. So anyway, if you're viewing this later, go ahead and hashtag replay, and that way I'll get notified, and just go ahead and hit the like. And Michelle, thank you. It is very beautiful here. This fountain here is the best part. Look at that. What's that? No, my daughter's afraid I'm going to get her in the video. We came over here to do a walk this morning, so actually we were going to do it earlier today, but it didn't end up that way. We ended up coming over here this afternoon, and it got really cloudy, but it's really a gorgeous day. And looks like it could rain, but you know what? It's not going to rain on my parade and ruin my video, my live video anyway. So yes, Successful Solution Method webinar tonight. Don't miss it. I'll leave the link below, and I look forward to seeing you on the webinar, getting you started, and helping you out any way I can. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I will talk to you at the webinar, hopefully. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything you need to know about the program, just get with me. I will be happy to do whatever I can to help you understand it and get you started with it. So have a great afternoon. We will see you tonight, hopefully. And I'm excited. This is a really awesome program. It really is. Lots of great people making money, and we're a great team, so take a look at it. So anyway, I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.